Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two ultimate AI tools platform, which is Taskade and MeetGeek. So to get started with quick analysis and a review about these two platforms, help you decide which of these platforms would be a better option for you. So to get started, Taskade is a flexible all-in-one collaboration platform designed for teams who want to stay organized, productive, and connected. It lets you combine tasks, notes, goals, and a timeline in a unified space, perfect for project planning, team collaboration, and knowledge sharing. With a real-time collaboration, flexible review option, and a lightweight UI. Taskday is a great match for groups who need a collaborative hub to manage their workflow and stay on the same page. So talking about MeetGeek, on the other hand, focus mainly on automating meetings and turning conversation into an actionable note. It's just powerful transcription and a summarization to capture key point, highlight, and action items for your meeting. Perfect for busy people who want to stay informed without sitting through every meetings in person. So if you want a tool to streamline team collaboration and tasks, Taskday is a strong contender. But if you need something to handle meetings, note, and follow up effectively, MeetGeek might be your best match in 2025. And that's it.